We're here with Mr. Clare, 30 years of Team Jamaica Bickle. Lots of labor went into this to get
I love.
30. Labor of love, right? Tell us what it's like after being at this game for 30 years.
It feels like the first day. Every year is a new experience. It's a new experience because we have to up our game. Our athletes are up in their game. We have to remain relevant. And we also have to be creative in our fundraising because it takes cash to care.
Right.
We're not into this thing just for doing something. We're into this thing to ensure that our athletes, our ambassadors, are provided the best care, the best opportunity to go out there and maintain the winning tradition. This is what this is all about. And opportunities for themselves, for them to emancipate themselves. Because for many athletes, this is the way out for them. And we are just privileged and grateful that for the past 30 years I've been able to work with some fantastic persons, volunteers, stakeholders, yourself, to ensure that this happens. So this 30th anniversary is a significant one. It feels like just yesterday. And it feels that way because it's indeed a labor of love.
Right, so we saw online that when you were down in Jamaica, you had a reception commemorating the 30th on the island. What was that like?
We were just blown away. We were well treated at the National Stadium of Champs. We had a reception at the Pegasus Hotel where we honored some of the stalwarts who have worked with us and athletes who we're honoring for their prowess over the years. And of course, honoring Glenn Mills was just off the chain. So we honored Bridget Foster Hilton, the first woman to win a world championships in the 100 meters hurdles. Michael Frater, you know of him in the 4x100 meters, beating up the whole world. And we also honored Tony Ripple for his music, 30 years in music, and his works with Team Jamaica Bickle. And Earl Jarrett, a great friend of Team Jamaica Bickle and the diaspora by extension. And so that presentation was just off the chain. We were happy to be there and just to feel the love, the labor of love.
Right, so lastly, because we're pressed for time here, let's talk about succession. We saw one of your main sponsors, Royal Caribbean Bakery, Mr. Hosan. He had his succession, it's smooth transition. We're sure you started out with hair and head and black beard. Now your beard is white.
Or my hair is no longer on top of my head.
Right, so tell us about your succession plans.
We are now seeing good people coming. We do have good persons ready to take over, and that will be happening, of course. It's what it's all about. It's a spirit of volunteerism. People have to avail themselves and recognize the challenges and sacrifices to be made. It's not something where you do part-time. You're expected to perform. And I think that we have put in place a mechanism to cause for that transition. And it will happen.
Right. Well, congratulations on 30th.
And thank you for your services.
30 more.
Well, yes, of course. We're here to stay.
Right.
One love.
All right, one love.